So today I would love to share with you this amazing high-speed hair dryer. Guys, this product has a super powerful brushless motor that it will very quickly dry your hair. It also uses up to 200 million negative ions that will lock the moisture of your hair, leaving it super shiny, smooth, and free of frizz. Now guys, this product, I love the design, has a beautiful color. It comes with a magnetic type of concentrating nozzle, super compact in size, very lightweight. I mean, this will be the perfect hair dryer for you to bring in your trips. It will fit your backpack or your suitcase. Now guys, this product comes with 2 different speeds that you can exchange with this switch right here. One of the things I'm surprised about this product is that it's super silent. It is 80% more silent than other hair dryers that you find out there in the market. Also, it comes with 3 different temperatures that you can exchange with this button right here. So to tell between the 3 different temperatures, you will see this awesome LED light color right here. Blue is cold. Orange is warm, and then the red color is hot. Now guys, you have an option where you press and hold this button right here, and it will circle between the different, temperatures. It is such an awesome product, you guys. It works perfectly fine. It leaves your hair super smooth and shiny. Now in the package, you will find this additional accessory right here. This is a brush that it even comes with a mirror. Super convenient, and you can make it super compact as this, so you can take it as well with you in your travels. So I really hope you will enjoy this awesome product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.